Hi, welcome back to another edition of You Don't Know DACC Wednesday. So today I am here with Todd Flesner, who works in the, he's an instructor within the Department of Business and Technology, and he teaches manufacturing. So today we're just going to walk around the lab and see what his students are doing. So Todd, you want to take us on a little tour?
So today I got my CNC setup and operations class. They're working in the lab here. You can see a couple of them are getting the machines lined up so they can. I got the first student here taking a practical exam today. He's trying to get his dice done. He's making dice. That's one of the projects that they work on. And I've got some other students working on some machining parts here, and yeah, that's what's going on in this room. And I want to go into the CAD lab.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Okay. So we just renovated the CAD lab over here. So one of the new pieces of equipment that we've purchased with some grant money is our coordinate measuring machine here behind me. This machine is a computer-controlled inspection device that a lot of our local manufacturers have. You have the probe on the end of the arm here, and you can go through, and if you look on the screen, you can see the probe doing a live measurement so that you can determine if the part's in specification. It's we're creating some new classes for this, so that way the students can come in and take some quality inspection classes and go work in industry in a quality role. So, and then Doug is in here for the CAD. He's the CAD teacher. Say hello, Doug.
Hello, Doug. This is live, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it.
Okay, man, that makes me nervous.
But yeah, we renovated this last summer.
Yes.
This room was renovated. We kind of cut it in half because it was shared with networking, computer networking, Cisco networking. So we kind of had a conflict of trying everybody using the same room. So we added the wall, moved all the computers over. We've added some new equipment in here. So we're looking to better prepare our students for careers in manufacturing.
So what else new is coming to the manufacturing department? You know, is there anything else, you know, we could look forward to in the future? I mean, I know you said some new classes, you know, you want to embellish on them a
One
little
thing
bit?
that I'm a big continuous improvement junkie, so I always want to get rid of the oldest or the poorest condition machine in the shop. So we've got, in the last 2 years, we've bought 4 machines. So we've done some upgrades in the machining lab to keep us up to state of the art.
Awesome. Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell us about the program or
We've got 3 degrees. We've got an advanced manufacturing degree, the manufacturing engineering degree, which is machining based, and then we've got our electronics degree as well. That kind of all tie in together with the certificates that we have. We've got 3 certificates. We've got the mechatronics certificate, and we've got manual machining and then CNC machining.
Fantastic. Well, Todd, thank you.
Job prospects?
Job prospects. So what kind of prospects?
Typically, you're going to see our graduates go work in machining facilities or automated facilities where there's a lot of robotics, and that's where the electronics is really ramping up. Locally, there's a lot of electronic tech jobs open that I see because they get, the Career Services has 55 jobs on the board last week when I looked, so I typically try to see what companies are hiring what positions so that we can try to fill those with current students.
Awesome. And so with your program, is there, I'm assuming, internships available for students while they're in your program, apprenticeships, or?
Apprenticeships are probably bigger now than internships
Okay.
from a manufacturing standpoint because it's more, you're not just going to shadow somebody, you're going to go work in the field.
Cool.
Versus an intern where you're just kind of shadowing and getting the feel for what's going on before you go into the role full time.
Awesome. And then with your classes, obviously they're available for College Express and dual enrollment students?
Right. College Express students can take the industrial tech program, which kind of gives them a 4-course cycle where they get a little bit of everything.
Awesome.
Of all the courses that we offer.
Okay, great. Well, Todd, thank you very much for joining us this morning. We loved seeing the new lab. This is the first time I've seen it, and we love seeing the students in action. So thanks for joining us again today, guys. If you have questions for Todd or for any of us, please drop them in the comment section below. But join us next week for another You Don't Know DACC Wednesday. I haven't had enough coffee yet.
Wave bye, Doug.
Bye, Doug.
Bye.